welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok's privacy setting. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first step, in order to go to your privacy setting, click on versus profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you click on profile, click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen and go on settings and privacy. Over here you can see the privacy option under account. Click on it, and over here where it says private account, if you have turned it on, only those people who follow you can see your content, and if it is turned off, that means it's public and everybody can see it. But if your account is under 16, then it's going to be automatically turned on and you cannot turn it off until you get the age above 16, because account which is under the age 16 is a minor account. You need to keep that in mind. You need to be above 16 in order to create a public account in TikTok. Alright, and your activity status, if it is turned off, that means nobody's gonna know if you're online or not and how long you have been online for. And if you turn it on, people are gonna know when you're online and when you're offline. Alright, so if you click on suggest your account to other, you can choose like which sector you want to be suggested. So I want my account to be suggested to those people whose contact I have. I turn it on, it's gonna be suggested. If I don't want to, I can turn it off. There's Facebook friends, people with mutual connection, people who open or send links to you, so you can show within these two. Alright, so whichever suggestion you want, turn it on. And sync contact with Facebook friends, if you want to sync your TikTok account with Facebook, you can do that over here. And over here where it says comment, you can choose like who people can like comment. You can click on comments at the top. If it is on everyone can. If it is on followers that you follow back, only those people who you follow can comment, and if no one, then nobody can comment. Alright, and there's many other settings like story, duet, stitch, downloads, following list, all this stuff. Right, so all of your privacy settings are going to be found here. And if you're having any problem with any privacy setting, you can contact TikTok support and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can come to your privacy setting, and if there's any problem, that's how you guys can fix it, by reporting it to TikTok staff. You can just click on versus report a problem to report your problem. Alright, so hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.